Hi there, my name is April Sawtelle and welcome to my channel. I've got a new sewing room that's in the works. I'm going to link a little short at the end of this video if you want to watch that. I had to run to town and I decided I'd just stop at Goodwill, see if anything would jump out at me that I could put up in my sewing room. Let me show you what I got. First thing that jumped out was this little red cup. So my room is going to be white and I'm going to have little red accents as I do here. These will be going up too, but I wanted to just get a few more things. Well, I didn't really know I wanted to get a few more things. I just felt like if something was to jump out at me, I'll grab it. So I got this cute little cup. It's a little aluminum cup and I got that for $3. I thought it was absolutely adorable. I knew going into the store that I wasn't buying anything unless it literally. Next was I found this little bird. It is so cute. It's called a little red hen. It came from a gift shop here in Maine, in York, Maine is what it says on it. How perfect is that? I want little red accents around my sewing room, so this was just perfect. I paid $3 for that. It seemed like quite a bit for me at the moment, but I was just like, nope, I've got to do it. So I grabbed it. So cute. It's called like Gifts and Things. It's just adorable. I saw this little basket and I just had to have it. It was $3. I figured I would put some little fat quarters or something in it up in the sewing room. So it's just so cute. $3. I felt I couldn't go wrong with that. So I went down the aisles a couple of times because I just didn't want to miss anything. And I came across, these are little glass squares with holes in them. They are just so cute. I thought that I could just put them like maybe even in one area and stack them up as blocks. So $3 for that bag. And then I saw this. I thought this was so cute. I love Cowgirl boots. It's a little bit scratched up. This one was like $3 and it was 70% off. So after the 70% off, I paid 90 cents for it. And I just think it's adorable. And then I got these 4 heavy-duty black bins. These were $6. I paid $1.50 because they were 70% off. And I absolutely love these. I felt that was a really great deal. And then I checked out and it was like $15 and some change. And I look over and I see the greeting cards. Greeting cards don't usually pop out at me, but I saw this. Lobsters and guitars are 2 of my favorite things. I'm going to call that my inspiration for the day. I had already checked out, and then when I paid for this, it was another $3.19. So by the time I left the store, I had paid almost $19 for everything. But guess what? It was worth it. I found some inspiration of one of my next projects to come. Stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Remember to keep it simple. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Say bye, little Miss Reddy, Thready.